Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound for YouTube. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, you would need to link your YouTube account to your Epidemic Sound. Okay, so first up, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom left, click on it and click on account. Once done, go ahead over to the top, click on Save List. And in here, make sure that your YouTube account is connected. Okay? So for example, this one is YouTube. Just click on it and write down your YouTube channel. Then once done, click on Add It. And you'll be able to see it right here. And then after that, all you got to do is just download the music or track that you want. For example, you wanted some rock music or classical. Just click on it. Let's say you wanted this music right here. Well, all you got to do is just click on the download button at the far right, click on it. You can download the full mix or just the melody or just the instruments or the bass only or drums only. Also, you can clip it right here. Click on download. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to download the full track. I'm going to click on download right here. And by the way, the file format would be MP3 or WAV. So just click on download, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, open up the file right here. Now, all you got to do is just move it to your editing software. Now, if you want to use it on Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve, you can install an extension for Epidemic Sound, okay? But if you want to know more about it, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video about it, okay? So once you have the track on your video, you can now then go ahead and export it. Export, and once done, go ahead over to your YouTube account and upload it right here. All right, and that is how you use Epidemic Sound for YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.